In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube channel URL. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into YouTube. You can confirm this by checking your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, go to the left-hand menu and scroll down to find Customization. Click on it. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Make sure you're on the Profile tab. Now, scroll down and you'll find the Handle section. Here, you can edit your handle name. As you type, YouTube will show you if the handle is available. Once you've chosen your new handle, click on Publish. It may take a few hours for the changes to fully update across YouTube. And that's it. That's how you can update your YouTube channel URL using your handle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.